Hi viewers, how are you? Today I will teach you how you can install Adobe Photoshop Beta for free in a officially way. Let's get started. Open a Chrome and make a new profile and sign up account. You have to create a new Gmail account and I have already created one. So I'll copy it and sign in. Just I will copy like this and just paste and hit next. Enter a password. Okay. Hit next. Here, get a verification code, confirm your recovery email. I will choose recovery email like this as no thanks. Okay. Now, customize your Chrome profile and edit your name according your desire. Okay. So I will edit my name, Fizzy, and choose a color and done. Okay. Now click on manage your Google account. Okay. And see. Okay. Click create a new tab and write Adobe Clouds all apps. Okay. Like this. Click on first link and wait and click on sign in. And here you have to create a Adobe account through Gmail of your Google account like this. Enter a Gmail address which you have created like this. Create a password. Continue. Enter our first name. Okay. And last name. And select month, year, and country region selected United States. Okay. Like this. Hit done. And wait. And you can see the Adobe company website. When you scroll, you will see a bar at the bottom. And at the bottom, you can see a free trial option. Just click on see and the select teams. Click on teams and continue. So here the all business email you can enter like this. First name, enter a first name and the last name and write a randomly company name. Okay. And choose a company size. Okay. Remember, if this option is not working, just refresh your tab. Okay. Like this. And after that, again, put your all requirements. Again, you can check, choose one and the Arizona selected state and enter a Gmail first name and the second name. Is the Adobe showing this option sign into the Google, sign into the continue, click on okay. If the Adobe is showing this feature, okay, like this and wait. And again, put your all like this, company name, company size, state, and the zip code. Arizona zip code. You can search on Google like this, zip code. You have many zip codes. Just copy this one and paste. And you have to need a business phone number. Open a new Gmail account and go to the Google account like this and search US stamp number. US stamp number, okay? And click on search. And this website, stamp-number.com, click on it. And select United States. And after that, choose the randomly this number. So I will choose this one. Okay. And copy this number and paste and click on continue. And wait, it's processing. After that, if the Adobe is showing this again, this options, sign into the continue. Okay. And wait. And you have to need a Adobe Creative Cloud. If you have not installed your window, please install it and again log in. Enter a password. Okay, continue. See, change your Adobe password. Adobe company suggesting me to change, update my password. Okay. So I will verify my account. First of all, go to the Google account and choose a Gmail. Open. Okay, come on. See, here the Adobe emails. You can see the features and description, given information. Okay. So I will choose verification code, copy and paste and wait. Okay. Create a new strong password with new combinations. Okay. Like this. Okay. Repeat password and update password and hit continue. And you can see the Creative Cloud desktop, a new website you can see, and click on apps. See, done. Okay. Here the all software available in your plan. So click on beta apps and you can see the Adobe Photoshop beta app you can install. Click on install and wait. Okay. Wait. And installing is started. Okay. Come on. Okay. Hit next. And you can see the Gmail account which we have created, new, done, and wait. When the Adobe Photoshop beta installed, we will check. Okay. Wait. It's depend on your internet speed. That's why. And Adobe company update Photoshop beta and you can repeat this process and create a new account with 0% error and use it for free. Okay. Now let me see you how it's working. Open a Photoshop beta app. Okay. So you can check it. Okay. So here the generative fill AI tool, and you can see, okay, go to the help and you can check your Gmail account which you have created. You click on help and see, and you have a 40 trial, after which you can create a new Gmail account and use it again for free. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, if you like this video, like and subscribe. If you're new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe me.